Hi, I'm Shanmugapriya. I applied for CAMK12 2 weeks before. Then they called me for a telephonic interview on September 6th. So they on telephonic interview they asked about what are the languages I know, like C, C++, Java, JavaScript, Python, like that. After asking this detail, they mailed me for a video screening round. So they mailed me an interview link on the same day. For the video screening round, they told me to take a 10 minutes class about what is a coding, what is the importance of coding, and with a real life example. A simple things like teaching a small kid for just 10 minutes. And also they asked about JavaScript language, like scope of the variables, and some simple questions in JavaScript. So after that they told me that I am selected for the final interview round. They sent me another mail regarding a final interview, and they sent me one PDF, in which PDF they told me to prepare a digital clock using HTML and JavaScript. We have to prepare that in an advance. So they gave me 1 day time, and they conducted a final interview on the Tuesday, that is September 8. In that final interview I have to teach this JavaScript coding, like digital clock using HTML and JavaScript coding, to the interviewer, which who acts as a kid. After explaining this coding, they also ask about like what is the class, and here what is the object, why we are creating an object, and some of the inbuilt functions we have used in that digital card program, like get hours, get minutes, get seconds. So what are these, and they will ask about like this, and some other simple questions in a JavaScript. After asking this, they told me to do one exercise, like we have to generate a series of numbers in a given pattern, like 2 comma 6 comma 12 comma 20 comma 30. So we have to write a program to print these series, and they gave me some time. I have taken 5 to 6 minutes. They also told me to when I need, I can do some manual calculation in my note also. So after taking this 5 to 6 minutes, I have completed this program. I completed this program in a codepen.io, that website, and I have showed this output. Then after they can ask also about this logic what I have used here, and they ask me to explain this coding, like what I have did in this program to generate this number series. After explaining that, they asked me some of the questions in JavaScript. After that they told me that I am selected, and I will receive an confirmation mail on a next day, that is on Wednesday. In that mail they also send us a training program informations, like there will be a 1 week training. Here we can they also send two form links. One is to get the personal details of ours, like bank details, and another form we have to fill in some details, like the digital clock program we have did for a final interview, that link, that codepen.io link. And they asked me to create one small project regarding the four platforms. One is the game development, another is app development platform, third one is an artificial intelligence, and fourth is a VR 3D game platform. I have chosen AI, so I did one small program on that AI platform, and we have to copy paste this link in that form also. After submitting the form, my training was started on the last Monday, that is September 14. So for that I received a mail about this training program details, date, timing, and the Zoom link for this training program is received in a mail on September 13. Then the training was started on the Monday. There some of the small introduction is the first part of the training. After that they trained me on artificial intelligence, and after that for 3 days. And after completing the 3 days for artificial intelligence, they taught me a virtual reality 3D game development for the next 3 days. So totally 6 days training, and the training will be ended on Saturday. And after Saturday they told me that I will receive an offer letter for this week, the next week on Monday. But I didn't receive any offer letter. Before that my schedule was started, my teacher dashboard was got activated. I will be able to receive the schedule mails. And yesterday I thought I take 4 demo classes for the 4 kids. The paid class session also scheduled for me. During the training, I learned a lot about artificial intelligence and also virtual reality. They will giving a training in a very good manner, and I have learned something new in this training. During the interview, they will be checking our technical skills as well as our teaching skills also. So we have to teach a kid in a very good manner. They will be checking that, and also our technical skills, like they gave us a small program to test our technical logical skills, and also checking how efficiently we are explaining the program that what we have did. So in my point of view, it was easy to crack this. Some of my training mates told me that they gave interview on Python platform, but I gave interview on JavaScript platform. So that I have chosen AI with a JavaScript. I have trained for AI with a JavaScript, and the training was also too good. Yeah, we can try with a very good confidence. I get to know about this CamK12 on Divya Ma'am channel, Divine Express. I used to watch this channel from 1 month. I'm continuously watching this channel, and I saw most of the videos about White Hat Junior and some other companies. She's helping really a lot thing, and she's doing a very great thing really. A career is a most important point of our life, and just guiding someone towards their career is a very great thing. Divya ma'am is doing such a great thing. Not everyone will do like this. It's just an angel like you will do this. I had watched a lot of videos about White Hat Junior and some other companies about CamK12, and watched more videos from her channel. Actually, I am from Tamil Nadu and I don't know about Hindi. Some of the videos are in English and I understand much well, but some of the videos are in Hindi. I used to save that video and show to one of my relatives and ask them to translate it into Tamil, and then I will get understand. So I usually watch her videos, every videos. I improved my teaching skills using their videos, and how to behave in an interview, like mostly in a work from home job, because they are evaluating using a webcam, right? So it was very useful for me. You are doing a wonderful thing, Divya ma'am, and I'm feeling proud for being selected on a CamK12 at very first attempt just because of you. Thank you for your guidance and encouragement, ma'am. Keep doing this, ma'am. Thank you so much, Divine Express channel.